I'm going to cut the pipes back here as if we were putting in M performance exhaust here and here, and then this is all going to come down in sections, and it's going to be a lot easier and faster than if you actually had to take these crossbody braces off. As you can see, I've already fed one of the pipes out because it's cut back at the back box, just like I said, if you're putting in a different exhaust back box. So the only thing that's holding this upper section in place now is that hanger and that 13mm nut way up at the top. So what you're going to want to do is slide up, brace this end, hold it up, undo that nut, and then feed it back here towards the tail of the car. If you have that upper kind of V-band brace essentially loose, you'll just feed this off and it'll come right off and you can feed it out from underneath the car. Go ahead and take these sections, go ahead and take it off. If you haven't loosened this mid-body hanger yet already, so go ahead. That's a 13mm nut here up at the top, and then this hanger comes off. And then you can feed this pipe out, and then we're gonna feed the back box off next. But go ahead and get caught up to there. We'll get the back box off and we'll start to get the new one installed. All right, y'all, so looking up the exhaust line there, you can see the entire exhaust line is out. We've let that middle section down, and you have to work the pipe down off the slip connection from the downpipe. It can be a little tight, just be patient and just wiggle, 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 and it'll eventually come off. You get those cut sections out that we took out, and then we're back here at the back box. So you're gonna have two 13mm nuts on each side on your hangers. You're going to want to unplug your valve motor. So go and unplug that. You don't want anything to happen to that. So then go ahead and take down these nuts. What I'll usually do is, if you do have an extra set of hands around that's handy, you can do this by yourself. You just kind of brace it up with your knee, do it on both sides and then drop it down. But then go ahead and take both of these off. You're going to have to use a 13mm and an extension to get both of these off on each side. Go ahead and drop the back box, and then we're going to start working in the new parts.